gonna go get some
chicks.
We're gonna go get some chickens, some baby chicks. So.
And ducks.
And ducks if they happen to, yeah.
Yeah,
so
I want ducks too.
Well, do you think we'll find out what they have?
Yeah, I guess. Well, I guess it depends on what's in there.
What they have, we'll get.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go take a little look see.
Yep.
Really?
Yeah, like a little mohawk.
Ugly bird, but it's weird and so.
Hey, weird is good. Hey, so you wanted how many of these?
2, and then 2 of the Oswards.
Okay, so here we go. Going in. Okay. 2. Okay.
Okay, so we got a bunch of chickens, and then we split up, and I came back over to another farm store and got some ducks and a couple turkeys. So we're gonna have our hands full for sure. I was headed home, but man, these clouds are absolutely gorgeous. All right, watch this. I shouldn't be left alone. I bought everything they had.
You bought everything they had?
No, but I bought 4 ducks and 2 turkeys.
You bought turkeys?
Yes.
I didn't think we were gonna do turkeys. Okay.
Putting in some electrolytes since we just moved them and they might be a little stretched. Went ahead and just got a bigger feeder just with a small enough lip that the little baby chicks can still get in there. The cap's got to be on food. Well, I was going to move this shed out of the way, but I realized that our tubs were not quite big enough for our ambitions here, so we quickly turned this into a little mini chicken coop.
Slash duck house?
Slash duck house, yes. So we've got set up with a heat light and feeder and water.
They're like, nope, we're not coming out. We don't know this place. Hi. Hi. You're so cute.
Little duckies.
Hi, little buddies. You guys are pooped all over your bumps.
That one guy was like curled up at the heat lamp over there. He was like snuggling right in with those chickens.
He's like, you guys get on top of me and keep me warm. And then these guys.
The ugly ones.
Ugly. They better not be mean to all the other guys. Turkeys are ugly. I mean, all animals are cute when they're little, but they're gonna get ugly.
Turkey's like, I see food and water.
One here? Oh, sorry. There's food.
feather on the end?
With his wings?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the other one back there does too.
The ducks keep pecking at them. They're like, think they're straw or something. Alright, good night, little fellas.